Simultaneous equation. We are going to be looking at the concept of simultaneous equation. Before now, we already know how to solve simple equations. And for every simple equations, our final goal is to be able to get the value of a variable. Maybe for example, now here I given x plus 3 equals 8. The final goal is to be able to get the value of your x. And you collect like terms. You say 8 minus 3. That gives you 5. Is that okay? This is a linear equation. Linear equation. Most ones that we have seen so far, something like this. 5y equals 20. You divide both sides by 5. You divide both sides by 5. You get your y equals 4. But when we talk about simultaneous equation, it involves more than one variables. We have two variables and two equations are involved. For example, when something like this is being written, x plus y equals 10, 2x plus maybe 5y equals 5. They expect you to solve this equation. And when we mean simultaneously means at the same time, not just solve it independently. They want you to solve it at the same time. And you're also going to get values for your x and y. Unlike other forms of equation that we have learned in JSS 1 and 2, that we are only interested in finding a variable at a particular point in time. In this case, you are going to find values for your x and values for your y. Am I making sense to somebody? Okay, so what are the various ways by which we can solve our simultaneous equation? We have elimination method. We have elimination method. That's the first method. We have our substitution method. We have our substitution method. And lastly, we have our graphical method. We have our graphical method. So we are going to be taking them one after the other. So this morning, we are going to start with elimination method. What do we mean by elimination method? Like I normally tell you in every mathematics class that mathematics is synonymous to English. You cannot be a good mathematics teacher without understanding your English properly. So when we mean elimination, elimination means to kill, to eliminate, to terminate, to ensure that thing does not exist, to kill, to terminate, to ensure that thing does not exist again. So how do we use our elimination method now? Let us see an example.